Now that I have time, I'm going to pick all these gooseberries. Masarap yan, iboro sa asin. Yan, let's do it, guys. Let's pick it now. Maliliit lang ngayon. Ayan. Isa-isa. I just use the scissors so it will be easier. Nasa paso lang siya kaya maliliit ang bunga. Tapos hindi ko pa napagtuunan ng pansin. Next time it will be nice. Yeah, I will put it on my daughter's garden. So they had a space over there. And it is their own land, it's their own house. May mga tinik to. Kaya hindi ko masyadong nilalapit ang kamay ko. Kasi in between, ayan, may mga tinik. May mga tinik siya. Ah, mahirap mamitas. Ito. May maliliit kasing tinik eh. Ang sanga. That one. Masarap tong sawsawan. Kasi maasim. Parang kamyas. Ayan siya, oh. Pag kasi, pag nahinog to, ang tamis. Ayoko na matamis. Gusto ko yung maasim. Ayan, madami, Kinamay ko na, guys. Mahirap yung gunting. Natutusok ako pero okay lang. Parang yan, maliit na karayom. Ang liliit kasi ng ng kanyang spike. Ibabagalan mo ko sa scissors. Kasi nasa paso kasi it's in the pot. Needs to be planted in the soil. Dito ko ilalagay ang aking gooseberries. Balian ko ng hot water. Malinis. Pero malinis to eh. Cucumber lang naman ang nakalagay dito. So, ayan. Isalin ko na sa jar. Tapos, ang ilalagay ko ay ito, virgin pink Himalayan salt. Yung ano, pink salt. Tapos, yan ilalagay ko dyan. Tansyahan lang to. Yan. Siguro 2 kutsara is enough. Konti lang naman to, ano. Halo-haloin natin. Pag ang daming asin. 2 kutsara lang yan eh. Good morning. We're going to harvest some of the strawberries. Let's do it. It's really red now. It's ready. Look at that. And another one here. That one. And some more here. Oh, malambot na. Overripe. Another here. Very red. And more. And that one is not yet ready. This one is ready. Oh, ito nabali. Nawala. And that one. So this is ready. Let's harvest. I think that's all. I'm here in my raspberries. Oh, there are some ready over here. Yan pa lang. Konti pa lang. So, ayan na siya. I'll go on my cherries. This now before it fall down to the ground. It's already ripened. Ay, sarap mag-harvest. Bibilisan ko at umuulan na. It's raining. hirap ng isang kamay lang. Walang tagahawak ng camera. So, this is our harvest. Oh, look at that. I'm very happy. Tinirhan ako ng ibon. Marami-rami din. Daisy. Arrive na iba. Natatanaw ako. Pinipitas ko, nagreklamo.